In this introductory video, I will show you how you can hold your needles and yarn. This will help you understand the flow of how knitting looks and works before you learn your first basic stitches. First, let's talk about the needle that has the knit fabric on it. This is the needle that you will hold in your left hand, so I will hold this on the left. Along the needle, you will see the stitch loops. Here we have 20 stitches on the needle, so you will see 20 loops. Toward the tip of the needle, you will see a string of yarn that is attached to your ball of yarn. This is called the working yarn. Now I will knit a few stitches and show you what the work looks like when both needles are involved, and demonstrate different ways that you can hold your yarn. Here you can see that we have knit some stitches and that we now have stitches on the left and right needles. The stitches on the right needle are stitches that we have already worked on this row, and on the left we have stitches that we still need to knit. You will see that the working yarn is hanging off the fabric connected to the right needle, the stitches that we have just knit. There are two common ways to hold your working yarn. You might choose to hold it in your right hand. This is called English style or throwing. You can see that the working yarn in the right hand keeps it close to the already knit fabric. You can also choose to hold the yarn in your left hand. This is called continental style or picking. You can see that the working yarn crosses behind your needles over to the left side. You can knit all stitches in either style. It is completely a matter of comfort and personal preference.